Hello dear traders, you're watching the combined review of currency and commodity markets on Insta TV with me, Anna Kasatkina. The American dollar fell on Friday from a two-year high after reports that orders for US-made capital goods fell, further evidence that manufacturing and the broader economy are slowing, due in part to the trade conflict with China. Dollar weakness also helped boost sterling from a 4.5-month low. It was last traded at $1.27.13. However, the rally was primarily driven by UK Prime Minister Theresa May's announcement on Friday that she would quit, setting up a contest that will bring a new Prime Minister to power who could pursue a cleaner break with the EU. The weaker-than-expected data added to the dollar's fall, which began last Thursday following a report that showed manufacturing activity hit its lowest level in almost a decade in May. The euro was also stronger on Friday at $1.20, benefiting from the dollar's weakness and from the Dutch part of the EU parliamentary elections. The single currency is down by 2.3% so far this year. Escalating trade tensions and weak data have fueled rate cut expectations by the Fed. Money markets broadly expect one rate cut by October, followed by another by January 2020. In cryptocurrency trades about a week ago, Bitcoin experienced a sudden crash. The sudden drop in BTC, which occurred on May 16, was attributed to a single liquidation event on Bitstamp. An unknown Bitcoin whale dumped 5,000 BTC in a single trade, a move that cascaded across the digital currency market. The cryptocurrency market quickly recovered from the event. Bitcoin returned to the $8,000 range. On May 24, Bitcoin was reporting daily gains, finishing at $7,994.90. Week on week, the market was green, with Bitcoin gaining nearly 11%. In the meantime, oil prices rose on Friday, but posted their biggest weekly drop of the year, pressured by rising inventories and concerns over an economic slowdown. WTI crude futures for July delivery rose to settle at $58.63 a barrel on the New York Mercantile Exchange. The contract's close on Thursday at $57.91 was the lowest since March 12. Front-month contract prices lost 6.8% for the week. July Brent futures closed higher at $68.69 a barrel, ending by 4.9% lower on the week. Brent shed by 4.6%, while WTI was down by 5.7% on Thursday, the biggest daily losses since December. The week's losses for both were also the largest year to date. Gold prices steadied on Friday after rising by more than 1% in the previous session. The metal was propped up by a weaker dollar and expectations for a US interest rate cut, offsetting pressure from a rebound in equities. Spot gold was little changed at $1,283.58 per ounce. The metal rose by about 0.5% for the week. US gold futures settled by $1.80 lower at $1,283.60. You've watched the combined financial review on Insta TV with me, Anna Kasatkina. Have a nice trading day. Bye.